Waiting for Jaelynn's school bus. They told me that they sent me an email or a voicemail and said, oh, we're going to be here 10 minutes early, or no, like 5 minutes early because there's a new bus route. And lo and behold, they're 5 minutes late. I don't understand this bus, I swear. But JJ's all dressed. She's got some new shoes on. And Rhilynn is just relaxing. Looks like she has a mini dress on. But we will never wear a mini dress. Right? We will never wear a mini dress. Right? Right? Right. Yeah. Uh-oh, you're leaning. Someone woke up from their nap. She's really into the TV right now, apparently. Yeah, so she took a nap and I got dressed, edited, ate, and got dressed. The video, I guess it's like 2 times bigger than yesterday, so that's probably why. But the video is taking a little bit more time to save, so it'll be up, right? Yeah. I got dressed. Oh, wearing my shirt. It makes me so happy. Is butter a carb? It just makes me happy. But yeah, wearing my little shirt, and I just have on some jeans. I'm not actually going anywhere today. The only place I really needed to go was to get more baby food for Rhilynn, but Michael is going to get Jaelynn's a Christmas present for Jaelynn, or at least try to. It's freaking sold out. That, if you guys probably know, you have kids, the Doc McStuffins, like that little like doctor van or whatever. It's sold out everywhere around here. And Amazon is selling it for 90 bucks. Nah. So he's gonna try a Target that said they had some in stock. They just don't do, because I was gonna pay for it and have him pick it, or he was gonna pick it up, but they didn't do pickup. I think because it's so popular. So hopefully that store still has it and he can go and pick it up. But what I was getting to was I was gonna go and buy Rhilynn more baby food, but I'm not, because if he's gonna go to Target, I'm gonna have him pick it up. So yes. So yes. And she doesn't know exactly what's going on because she just woke up. She's just kind of chilling. Sissy is still in school, so we don't know what to do. Are you suspicious? Huh? Yeah? So it's like 11, no, almost noon actually. I haven't done that much vlogging, so I decided to do something. I've been really, I mean, I got dressed. I can't really show you guys that. I've fed Rhilynn. She had the same thing as yesterday. And now I'm applying for jobs. So there's not very much for me to show you guys. Oh, well, bring it down. Jada did come home. She just got home a little bit ago. How was school, baby? Good. Do you want to show them your bat that you made?
My papa?
Your bat.
What do your bat make?
Show. Let's see.
Da, da,
Is that the sound a bat makes?
da, 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 da.
There's that.
Da, da.
Let me.
Da, 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 da.
Okay. You weirdo.
Da, 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 da.
Okay, bring your nappy. Hey, can you grab Ryland's bowl on the floor for me? Thank you. Charge her nappy and continue applying for jobs. I feel like, you guys, this is gonna be good. Come on. Oh, there we go. I feel like it's gonna be good. Put it on top.
Okay.
Thank you. So yeah. And this kiddo is yelling. Bring me, Jaelynn. Okay, hey, stop yelling, and bring me your nappy. Okay, so applied for a couple more jobs, which went, pretty good. And now I'm pretty much gonna go and clean up Jaelynn's room. I told her to clean it up, and she does a little bit, but it doesn't get completely done because it's a filthy mess, and it's both of our faults, because normally, like, if we're in our good routine, like, I will clean, or she'll clean up her room every night after or right before bed. And then some nights I'm tired, I have other stuff to do, and I'm just kind of like clean it tomorrow, and then on and on and on and on and on. And you know, she's 4, she just needs a little help. But you know, if I remind her, she cleans it. So we're gonna clean Jaelynn's room, right?
Yeah.
Rhylyn's gonna sit on the bed. Are you gonna sit on the bed? Yeah. And look at this mess. It's just everywhere. Jeez Louise, you guys. How'd your room get so dirty? Because what? Well. Oh, it's okay. We just gotta, we'll clean it today. Mommy will help you, okay? So yeah, we're gonna clean the room. And I was reading some of the comments of the vlog from yesterday just went up. Like I said, I'll have all the vlogs, or the vlog from the previous day will be always down below. So you can go check it out if you haven't. But I was reading some of the comments, and someone said that, like, you know, about my situation, that they're just happy. It's good to see that my vlogs are still very happy. And I really appreciated that. Thank you. I try to always look on the bright side of things. I do. So that's why my vlogs are always happy. I still have 2 beautiful little girls, you know, and I mean, we're blessed. So there's still plenty of reasons to be happy. We need to wash your hair tonight, kiddo. Wash your hair and wash your ears. I know. She's like a crazy person about her ears.
It's on my ear.
I'm not going to touch her. If it's that nasty, I'm not going to touch it. Oh, my hairband went away. Is there dirt in your ears? Let's see. Is it nasty?
Yeah.
It's not that bad. There's a little bit.
Hey, Mama.
Yeah.
I did don't in my ear. Why told the white away came out?
Oh, and then it'll see?
Yeah.
Well, let's clean your room. Alright, you guys, let's look at a before. I'm just going to stand in the middle and show you guys. So, look at all this. Messy, 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 messy. Toys and popcorn and yeah. Because I do allow her to eat in her room. I personally feel that at this age, I think it's okay for her to eat in her room. You know, to each their own. I mean, the biggest thing about eating in your room is, I mean, the dirt and spilling things. But she spilled things. I feel like it's okay. She's a child, and I want her to be able to enjoy her room and things like that. So I think once she gets older, we'll probably, like, well, I say that, but we're not going to be here. But in theory, in my head, I'm thinking, like, I imagine us being in the house. So my plan then was, once she gets older, we'll replace the carpet up here. And then, like, you know, when she's able to, like, not waste things just on an accident, it'd be like, okay, don't waste anything or you're not going to be able to eat up here. But for now, it's fine. Well, we're moving now, so maybe, you know, once it gets dirty, I'll move to another place. But that was my theory in the beginning. So yeah, but I mean, she has stains on her floor. And we were supposed to clean the carpets this winter. But I doubt we're going to do that since we're leaving the house anyway. All of us are leaving the house, not just us girls. Michael's leaving too, you guys. I have to say that every time I mention leaving the house. So, yeah. Anyway, we're going to clean. Are you ready to clean?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Mama.
Yeah.
I'm gonna help me clean my room.
I am. Can you go downstairs and get my phone so I can turn on some music?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna watch or listen to Disney music. JJ's room is all clean. Well, kinda. Dirty floor, you know, because it's stained, but put these away. Vacuumed, and I'm getting ready to wash her sheets. Cause somehow both of her sheet sets are dirty. Normally they rotate, but I think I just didn't wash them all last time. There we go. Okay. So it's all clean. Good job. Turn your TV back on. There you go. Good work. High five. Woo!
Mama,
yeah.
We do it one more time.
Do what? Oh, high five?
That was jumping.
Ooh, my stomach hurts. JJ said she needed to show me something. It's something that she wants. I know. Yes, my dear. Ooh, excuse me. I don't have the hiccups. There's nothing in there. What are you looking for? Maybe I can help. Do you want some fruit or some applesauce?
Tea. I want tea.
You were at the store the other day and I asked her, I go, do you want some more string cheese? She goes, no, thank you.
Tea. Yummy tea.
And now she wants a slice of cheese. This is why she forever has gas. What are you talking about?
I'm talking about tea. I like you.
JJ's swinging.
Like a big girl.
Like a big girl. It's not too bad outside. I got so cute. Nona made, well, you can't really see it. I guess you can a little bit. Nona made this. She made Jaelyn's too. I'll show you guys when we get inside when she was a baby. And she made this one for Rhilynn. It's purple with like a lilac color and green and pink. And then she had some extra material. Is it yarn? I think. I don't know. You guys suck. I think this is knitting or crocheting. I don't know. She told me, but I forgot. And she made this cute little baby hat. So we probably won't be out here for that long. But being out in the sun isn't really that bad. And she's not being too crazy. So is the sun in your face? What you doing, JJ? Oh, are you laying out?
Yeah.
Here, let's lay out. Lay down with Mama. We're just laying out. Getting some sun?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's not really any clouds in the sky.
No, the towel. Look, Mama. Here's a towel are you.
Oh, there are clouds over there.
Yeah.
It's very nice out today. The sun is like really shining right there.
Yeah.
Okay. How come I gotta throw it? Ready? This is really flat. Ready? You ready? Hit it! Oh! Here.
My shoe fall off.
Put your shoe on, silly.
Okay, I'm ready to play.
Ready? Oh, so close.
Yeah.
Hit it. Oh, oh my honey. Ready? Oh, okay, ready? Ready? Ha. We're inside now. It's extremely freaking cold. Well, it's not that cold. Rhilynn didn't even get too cold, but her nose started getting red, so we brought her in. But we played some catch. Well, I played catch with JJ. I think she's tired. But anyways, you can probably see it better now. Well, kind of. The purple, and then her cute little hat with the flower. And then Jaelyn's is... Hey! Ooh! Jaelyn's is... right here. Hold on. She actually made her a hat too. And a scarf. But we don't have it anymore because she can't fit it. She used to use it for her babies, but I'm not entirely sure where it is now. But yeah, I think I'm gonna put her to bed for a nap. Now I'm gonna charge my camera because it's going dead. And I'll probably check back in with you guys around dinner time. Got dinner started. Rhilyn's leaning dirty. Here, sit up.
Hey.
There you go. She doesn't really like to sit up. She wants to lean. Got some chicken. I'm getting ready to cook one of these little quick pasta sides. And I got some, what is this? Green beans going. And that's pretty much it. Bite on me. Giving Jaelynn a bath. It's pretty late. had a glass of wine with dinner, and so now I'm tired. What color do you want your bath water? What color do you want your bath water, Jaelynn?
Pink.
Pink?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pink purple on my baby color.
Okay. Okay, put your colors in.
NEKIYAH.
Hey guys, my voice. So it is 10:46 and I'm heading to bed. Both of the girls are in bed, obviously. I only got to give Jaelynn a bath, so I'll probably give Rhilynn a bath in the morning while Jaelynn's at school. But I just wanted to say, I haven't said like a legit goodnight to you guys in a long time. So I just wanted to say goodnight. Have a good night, and I'm headed to bed now, so I will see you guys in the morning.